If you don't like tech headaches but still want to enjoy Roblox, then follow these steps to fix purchase errors. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Roblox account and double-check your internet connection. Sometimes, a simple switch between Wi-Fi and wired can help. Next, check Roblox's server status. If everything looks good, verify your payment info. Now let's try some in-app troubleshooting. Retry the purchase, and if needed, tap or click outside the confirmation box and try again. Restart the Roblox app or even your device. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall Roblox. For website users, refresh the page or switch browsers. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help. Make sure your email and phone are verified. If you're under 13, get parental approval for purchases. For Android, force stop Roblox and clear the cache. Xbox and PlayStation users, check your payment info and update if needed. Still having issues? Contact Roblox support with your username, error messages, device, and OS version. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be back to gaming in no time.